Okay, Ed, we've been doing some videos in this little toy closet, I would almost call it.
Yeah.
It's
my office.
It's your office. Okay, well, Ed, you've got some good toys in your office. How about that?
Yeah, okay.
Why don't you show us around a little bit here what this is about?
A little bit. I've been collecting the Tonka trucks because they're really nice. They're a metal truck.
Yeah.
And they're made in Minneapolis.
Okay.
And then they started making them in probably 1948.
Okay.
Something like that. And they were really cool. Quite a design for a truck. Different things on it, and they were all Ford trucks.
Well, were they?
They copied after a Ford truck.
Okay.
And then there's quite a bit of things unique about them. Again, they're made in the United States here, and I think the latest one I have is about 1964.
Oh.
The 64, they made the wheel was only a ½ inch wide.
Oh.
And after that, they made a fat tire, and it was about maybe an inch wide, a big plastic toy.
Uh-huh.
And so they were just non-collectible.
Yeah.
I have about 350 of these.
Do you really?
I've been collecting them for about 39 years. I know, for a reason. So anyways.
Wow.
Something happened about that time. And anyways, it's been 39 years ago.
Wow.
So, and some are unique, just like this. That set here is 59, or they were 59, and they came with white fire trucks in one box. It actually has a little fire hydrant here you can hook on a garden hose.
Oh, look at that, you're right.
And then you can put this hose on it and squirt water around if you want.
Oh, that's
all
fun.
came with it. And a little chrome door on the thing and a little fire extinguisher. Quite unique.
Yeah. Yeah.
And some of the other trucks were quite unique, like this big fire truck. All the kids like fire trucks.
Right.
These were steel ladders, and they would crank up with different things, and a fire extinguisher on here. Made them quite a nice playable toy. More of a unique toy than they were just a toy.
Yeah.
Just a plain blank toy, yeah.
Uh-huh.
They made them a little bit special.
Yeah, see, now is this a Tonka truck up here?
Yeah, that's a Tonka truck. And if they're in the boxes, a good box, the box is worth as much as the truck.
Wow. Yeah, so you've got the wrecker in front of a wrecker box there.
Yeah,
that's
in front of the wrecker box. And the Caterpillar here in front of the Caterpillar, and it's probably new. Looks like it's never been played with.
Wow. Right. Wow.
So
some of these Tonka trucks were like all over the place, and I had seen them before. But with your collection, most of them I've never seen before.
Yeah. So a lot of kids had the Jeeps. There was quite a few Jeeps.
Oh yeah.
A lot of Jeeps because kid likes Jeeps, and a lot of little Army trucks. There was some Army trucks in here.
Uh-huh.
Different ones, and then road department, highway department had a lot of trucks.
Right. So we've got the Jeeps coming
there,
and they've got some farm
trucks and stuff. And one of the unique things is the only one that had a hood scoop was 1957.
Is that right?
So
that's
really,
the only one?
Tonka, even those days, hood scoop there, 57.
Wow.
So then...
That's a plow truck. Now, did you ever drive a plow truck?
No.
No.
Yes, I did.
Did you really?
Anyways, yeah. So anyways, some of the vehicles had, one year, maybe had a T in the front bumper.
Uh-huh.
And they had 2 headlights.
Okay.
Some of them didn't have. So actually, they changed it every year.
Did they really? Yeah. Here's one with the T.
T right there.
And the dual headlights right there.
And that would be with the solid hubcaps. No holes in the hubcap.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So that was 59.
Interesting.
And then some of them had holes in the hubcaps, like this wrong one here.
Oh, yeah.
And then some of the other ones had a disc in the hubcaps, like this hole. Different year.
Different year.
Yes.
So you have to pay attention to the detail. You start realizing.
So you have to buy one of each every year.
Look at all these.
Some of the older ones up here were pretty old. That was a 49 to 53, that little short cab one.
This guy?
Yes.
Huh.
So, and I've been collecting them for a while. And then Dean Allied Van Lines, some of them had the eagle on the truck, and then a number 1 on the truck. So, and they change them every year.
Every year, different.
Yes. Actually, I
have another Allied here.
I have a Tonka book here, a collector book just from Tonka. It was made the guy from the high school. Guy in Illinois, Indiana, made this book.
Okay.
It tells all about the different ones and a lot of history about them.
Wow.
And in the back, it tells you a certain page. This truck is in bad shape would be so much.
Okay.
Good shape and an excellent shape is worth more. So it's
a
little guide.
Yeah.
Which really was a cool guy.
That's really interesting.
Yeah, it's really interesting. It's fun.
I had no idea.
This one here, let's just try to, this is my favorite here.
Oh, okay.
This Jeep here was made by somebody else, not Tonka, but it has steel wheels. Tires are steel.
Yeah.
What year was that? They
good.
made this several years.
Okay.
Some of them had rubber tires on them. But why this was metal was right after the war.
Okay.
Rubber wasn't available.
Short supply, yeah.
Short supply, so they still made the toy, but metal wheels on it. It's kind of unique.
Yeah.
I hope that never happens again.
Right, me too.
Me too, yeah. Yeah. So that's why
that's a really cool toy right there.
Yeah, it's really cool. And it has a little thing about it as the hood raises up.
Oh, look at that.
So it's pretty unique.
Yeah, it's got the
made in 1941 or 42 maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's got the Willys sign there and the Jeep sign there.
Yeah. Like the Army truck. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And then you have other farm trucks and van lines and well, there's even a boat trailer down there.
Yeah, and it says right on Tonka boat.
Look at that. I didn't
More
know
fire
that.
trucks and stuff, yeah.
Huh.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool.
That is very cool indeed. Wow, and I know this is not your whole collection because I've seen them scattered around other places around here. But this is really quite interesting. Now, what is this?
Garbage truck.
Oh. So complete with the flip over
thing
into the back.
Yeah.
Huh.
And again, these little trucks like this were the first years. This little stub nose truck.
Okay.
So that would have been 49 to 53 maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the solid wheel.
Solid, yeah.
And then
there's another one right here.
Right, and then they start punching the holes in the wheels. I'm going to learn from you, and then that's a little later still, I guess.
Yes, yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at this Tonka, giant bulldozer with a trailer.
Yeah.
And that's a different kind of wheel again.
Yeah.
Same as the fire truck wheel.
Those are Smith Miller trucks. That's a cast truck up there.
Okay.
And they were made in California, but they were metal. They were die cast. That's a metal casting cap. Smith Miller, they're most expensive.
Wow.
The top one up here is really a nice truck. That one has a little bulldog on the front hood. Again, that's a Smith Miller truck. Up on the hood,
yeah, look at that.
That's really a nice truck. It's aluminum.
Huh.
Yeah. And that was for the rich kids. I couldn't afford that.
Right.
My kids ain't gonna either. So
I had one or two Tonka trucks and maybe a excavator or something and a dump truck or something, but I didn't have a lot. A couple of those things.
Yeah. I think most kids do. So.
Huh. That's wild. Yeah, so you have a few Smith Millers I'm noticing around.
Yeah.
That is cool. And there's the Tonka shovel with the flatbed trailer.
That looked like brand new. I've never restored a. I've never restored a toy.
Okay, this is how you've got them. How you display them is how you got them, huh?
Yeah.
I like that service truck. This
service truck's got a ladder in it. Yeah. Yeah.
Huh. Well, that was a great unexpected tour. You know, car guys sometimes have small cars too, not just the big ones.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Well, Ed, thank you for giving us a little tour of your office. There's more to tour if we wanted to, but this is a pretty good, pretty good introduction to Tonka stuff. And I guess the Minute Maid, Carnation Milk, Rescue Squad, those are all different years too, I'll bet. Huh. All right, very good.